Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm an Atlanta area personal bankruptcy attorney, and today I'd like to talk to you about filing bankruptcy if you're a real estate agent, a real estate sales agent, typically a residential sales agent. And I've had a few agents call me over the years and want to know if they're even eligible to file bankruptcy because their income is somewhat unsteady. And yes, you can file bankruptcy if you're a real estate agent. I've done it many times with a number of real estate agents. A lot of times I'm dealing with tax issues because those folks have not paid taxes. Sometimes money comes in sporadically. When the money comes in, it's used for essentials and taxes, self-reporting income taxes are not being made. So we have to deal with some tax debt. I had one case a number of years ago where I was able to discharge about $150,000, $160,000 of income tax debt because it was stale. And we were able to do that and get these folks back into compliance with the IRS and to discharge the other debts. The key if you're a real estate agent is record keeping, because one of the things with bankruptcy in 2018 in particular is that the courts, the trustees, want to see records for everything. So if you have had, let's say over the last couple of years, if you've had 40 or 50 sales, you need to have a spreadsheet where you detail the date you received your commission, how much you received, your business expenses that reduced your take from that commission, and how you survive kind of on a week-to-week, month-to-month basis. You know, sometimes people will use credit cards, advances to create cash flow so they can survive. That can be an issue when you're dealing with bankruptcy because obviously the credit card companies are going to say, did you have a reasonable expectation of repayment? So what I tell my real estate clients, real estate agent clients, are number one, keep really, really strong records. We're going to need at least 2 to 3 years of records showing commission earnings. Number two is if you've taken cash advances from credit cards, I need to know that so we can see whether or not we need to make some payments to show good faith and not just file the month after you took a big advance. Number three is, do you have any deals in the hopper? Because that money, when it comes in, may or may not belong to you. It may belong to the bankruptcy estate. Obviously, I need to know about assets that you own so we can make a determination whether or not you're eligible for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Of course, your income will also tell us that as well. But a lot of times, not just the record keeping, but the timing is important because we may find that by waiting a month or two, we can put you in a situation where you could go into a Chapter 7 and discharge debts, or you can go into a much lower percentage Chapter 13, not have to pay nearly as much back. If you file when you've had just 2 or 3 months of good commissions, that may put you into a very high percentage 13 where you've got to pay a lot of money back. So bottom line is, if you're in real estate and you think bankruptcy may be an option, talk to me or talk to your attorney sooner rather than later, and understand that besides the record keeping, timing may dictate what we do. Because again, my job is to figure out the most effective type of bankruptcy, if bankruptcy is appropriate at all, the most effective type of bankruptcy for you so that you can discharge your debt and you can start over again, and then you can get back to selling real estate. And one of the things I know that a number of my clients have said to me is it's very hard to be an effective salesperson if you have this tremendous pressure of debt hanging over your head, tax debt or student loan debt or credit card debt. And so our job is to get rid of that stress so that you can focus on what you do best, and that is selling houses, selling real estate. Hope you found this helpful. If you are a real estate agent and you need to discuss possible bankruptcy or maybe non-bankruptcy alternatives, please reach out to me. I'm at 770-393-4985. You can go to my website, which is atlanta-bankruptcy.com, and you can download a copy of my Secrets to, or it's actually called the Debt Destroyer Survival Kit. It's Secrets to Effective Use of the Bankruptcy Process and Effective Strategies for Rebuilding Your Credit. Sorry about that. And if you need help from me personally, please reach out to me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, our Facebook page. And again, if I can be of help to you personally, please let me know. This is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you all the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan, and I hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to invite you to download my free Debt Destroyer Survival Kit right now. I've packed my survival kit with answers to the questions I've heard from clients for over 25 years here in the Atlanta area. Inside the survival kit, you'll find clear, easy to understand answers to critical topics about how to solve debt problems once and for all, including how do I protect my stuff, my house, car, and personal property if I file for bankruptcy? Are there any legitimate alternatives to bankruptcy? Will I ever get credit again, and if so, when? What mistakes must I avoid to get the most benefit out of bankruptcy? You can claim your copy right now by visiting my atlanta-bankruptcy.com website. And you are always welcome to use the email form on my website to ask me anything about debt and personal bankruptcy in Atlanta. www.atlanta-bankruptcy.com. And as always, I wish you the best.